A lot of reviews have been saying the Apple Watch Ultra and the Apple Watch Series 8 are more alike than they are different. Despite their virtually identical common hardware and feature sets, the two smartwatches are designed for distinct purposes. We're here to compare and contrast the Apple Watch Ultra and Apple Watch Series after 30 days of use to see what's different. Design. The Apple Watch Ultra has received a lot of criticism for its appearance in early reviews. Users did not like how big and large it was when it came out. Now the design has not changed after 30 days, however, it can definitely grow on you. Comparatively, the Apple Watch series is without a doubt the better looking watch, however, that shouldn't be a reason to rule out the Apple Watch Ultra. It is rather cool, and you'll probably love it once you get used to it even on a smaller wrist size. Also, it's worth noting that the design also permits durable features like the titanium case, such as the titanium case. We will go into further detail about this when we make a durability comparison between the Apple Watch Ultra and Apple Watch series, so stay tuned. Screen. The Apple Watch Ultra's screen boasts double the brightness of the Series 8 at 2000 nits according to the specifications. During use, we have had no trouble seeing the Series 8 in a wide range of lighting settings. Although the Apple Watch Ultra's display is slightly larger than that of the Series 8, you won't notice a significant difference in practice. The larger case size and sleeker appearance of the Ultra make the screen seem more expansive when reading. The font size on both watches can also be adjusted to improve the readability, so it is quite similar. However, if we're considering the 41mm Series 8 model, the Apple Watch Ultra's screen and differences are noticeably larger. We would choose the Apple Watch Ultra's screen because it is efficient in extreme high glare conditions and twice as bright without significantly impacting battery life. We'll talk more about the battery life of both devices later on, so stay tuned. Even though the Apple Watch Ultra has a better screen, that is not to say that the Apple Watch series screen is subpar. You probably won't even notice the difference. Durability. The Apple Watch Ultra is sturdier than the Series 8 when it comes to exercises and other vigorous activities. Unlike the curved display of the Series 8, the flat display's covering provides better edge protection, making it less vulnerable to damage from drops and scratches. When compared to the INX glass used in the aluminum Series 8, the sapphire crystal glass on the Apple Watch Ultra is clearly the superior option due to its increased durability. The Series 8 features a water resistance of 50 meters and an IP6X grade for resistance to dust. In contrast, the Apple Watch Ultra is on a completely new level. It can tolerate the roughest of environments and treatment without breaking. The usage of titanium for the case makes it more long-lasting than the Series 8's aluminum or stainless steel. If you're searching for scratch resistance, the titanium Apple Watch Ultra is your best bet. If you want more details about the durability of these watches, you can subscribe to our channel and access our reviews on them. Battery life. This part is quite simple. The Apple Watch Ultra has a significantly longer battery life than the Series 8. In spite of the Apple Watch Ultra's brighter display, its larger battery allows it to run much longer between charges, sometimes even 2 or 3 days. However, the Series 8 has the same battery life as previous Apple Watches and often has to be charged every day. Apple is saying that with normal use, Apple Watch Series 8 can reach up to 36 hours of battery life with iPhone present. In addition, the manufacturer claims it has an 18-hour battery life. With the same everyday use, the Ultra should last you at least 2 days. This includes having the always-on display turned on, using the GPS for a workout lasting up to 2 hours, tracking your sleep, and receiving regular notifications. When you don't keep track of your sleep, you can easily extend that time frame to 2 or more full days. With the Series 8, you can get it down to around 18 to 20 hours. The Series 8 can last for an entire day on a single charge if you do not wear it to bed to track sleep or turn it off at night. Software and additional features. Now you should expect a very similar experience while using either of these watches, as they both feature identical looking interfaces and the same number and types of apps and watch faces. For instance, watchOS 9 and the latest crash detection function are available on both watches. In terms of health features, they're identical, right down to the new thermometer that monitors temperature changes during the night and can be used to keep tabs on your ovulation cycle. Each one supports both traditional typing and voice-to-text dictation. If you misplace your phone when you're at home, just ping it from your watch and it'll start ringing. However, only the Apple Watch Ultra has the special WAF interface, which can accommodate up to 8 difficulties. The Apple Watch Ultra also features a new software called Oceanic Plus that adds functionality for scuba and free diving, in addition to its dual-frequency GPS for pinpoint location tracking. The experience is similar, but as the more expensive watch, the Apple Watch Ultra offers a bit more. What experience is your Apple Watch Ultra or series giving? Share with us your favorite features in the comment section. We would love to hear your opinion. Conclusion. Although both watches function in essentially the same way, the Apple Watch Ultra stands out due to its impressive range of extra features, long battery life, and sleek titanium design. However, this is to be expected given its higher price tag compared to Apple's series. You should watch our review about the coolest features and our first impressions of the Apple Watch Ultra if you want more details. It follows next, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching.